Imagine air with fewer pollutants, fewer chemicals, less pollen and dust. Imagine life with the Daikin One ecosystem, a family of air-intelligent devices working together to bring you smarter air management, premium air quality for comfortable indoor living, and space-saving efficient heating and cooling that doesn't interfere with your outdoor space. It starts with the Daikin One Smart Thermostat, a cloud-connected air intelligence system that monitors temperature, humidity, and air quality inside your home, ensuring unwanted contaminants and airborne irritants are minimized.
Oh, yeah, sorry, honey. It's okay, Mom.
Once activated, Daikin IAQ technology helps improve indoor air quality using sensors in your duct system to detect airborne particles and chemicals. Outside air is brought into the system to dilute chemicals. Dust mites, cat dander, ragweed pollen, and particles are then trapped. Formaldehyde is degraded. And to keep your AC coil clean, our specialized UV treatment helps minimize mold and bacteria growth. To further enhance your indoor comfort, personalized humidity control helps make the air inside your home as light and refreshing as you like.
Fresh mojitos.
You're speaking my language.
Clean, fresh air, all powered by the new Daikin Fit, one of many Daikin One compatible HVAC solutions. With its space-saving design and efficient inverter compressor, the new Daikin Fit offers quiet technology that makes it as unnoticeable as the air itself. Smart thermostat, indoor air quality, and energy-efficient HVAC. The new Daikin One ecosystem. Air intelligence.